Get ready for today's subject of discussion. Just the Beast Twin Cat, Hull & Hardware, and gorgeously stunning carbon Kevlar. Look at the shine on this hull. My oh my. Nothing beats the first class excellence of Oxidine Marine in our choice hulls. Beautifully woven carbon Kevlar, pencil line seam all the way around it. This thing is just beautiful from the tip of its nose to the tips of its toes. Take a look at the bottom of this hull. Water outlets pre-installed. True beauty. Through and through. This hull has lots of dihedral and very meticulously placed steps, as well as strakes. Dihedral is the angle at which the bottom of the hull meets the water. This angle. The higher the hull is out of the water, the less it's actually touching the water. And you have an edge here that helps in turning. Our edge is almost razor sharp, and that allows for excellent handling. Well, they say beauty is only skin deep, and we believe that to be true. We make sure everything inside here is totally awesome. Carbon fiber CNC milled battery trays, OPS 01L digital CNC servo on a CNC pedestal. We don't zip tie things down around here. Yes, your shafts are zip tied into the boat so they don't move around and get hurt. Water outlets shooting out the bottom like a champion. Other water outlets shooting out the side like a veteran. Sliding carbon fiber battery trays. And look at that epoxy seam there. We take time and do it right. Baby, we can do it. What's in the bag? You've got your zip ties, you've got your grease, you got your straps, you got your rudder blade. And that is awesome that we include all the small details, even the zip ties. Check out this awesome multifunctional portable tool set that we include. Now, what company on the planet includes a tool set this precision with a Hull & Hardware? All the interchangeable tips that you'll need to build this boat, and they sit in this nice little caddy. They attach here, then ratchet tight, and there you have it. You get your Y harness for your two ESCs, steering cables, and rudder boss. Carbon fiber steering horn for your push-pull cable steering. Couplers, screws, nuts, and bolts. Pedestals for your carbon fiber top plate. We've got a double-decker plate set up on here if you use our ESCs. And if you don't, you can always modify the tray to not even use them. A pair of brass props. Y fittings for your water lines. Water pickup tubes. We give you some shrink tubing for your motor wires. Quality antenna. ESC plate. And we give you our top quality water tubing. Extra long extended stinger out drives. And our unique water pickup system that picks up water and injects it directly into the hull. Push-pull cable steering rams, and we use a unique pedestal system for our cable routing. You can also use the optional boots. Yes, our boats have a slightly higher cost, but you get so much more bang for your buck. There's no other.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene
that comes as comprehensive as this. I mean, you get a tools kit, you get props, you get even zip ties and battery straps. This is a true Holman hardware set where you literally only add motors and ESCs. We even give you a precision servo. When you want to get something nice this season, go with Oxidine Marine. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and by all means, continue enjoying radio-controlled model boating. Oxidine Marine is a place where you can have it your way. We live, eat, and breathe radio-controlled boats. We actually run them. We're not one of these places that just sells them and collects your money and doesn't even play with them like the others here in the United States. We love this sport, and the more you contribute, the more we can give.